Renata. Want to know one of my favorite childhood sweet treats? It's ANZAC Biscuits. These biscuits, or cookies as you would call them in the States, came from Australia and New Zealand during the war times. They would be baked and shipped overseas to soldiers serving abroad. It's also a great way to show people that you're thinking of them. So I wanted to share this recipe with you. Want to know how to make it? Let me show you. Enjoyed this recipe. For more healthy and delicious recipes, make sure you head over to nourishwithrenata.com. Good food that's good for you.